The last thing we're going to look at from this bit on estimation using graphs is line graphs, where line graphs are in particular good for showing trends over time, because what they show are amounts or values of things as compared to time, where time is always, or at least most often, on the horizontal axis. So let's look at this in the context of an example where we have a representation of the data on cigarette smoking by American college students. For what we want to do is look at this graph that we're given and use that to make an estimate on the number of students who smoked in the year 2002. Now, first thing we're going to see here is that on the graph we're working from, the year 2002 isn't exactly on there. It's not quite there yet. You have to sort of eyeball it between 1998 and 2006. At least there is a tick mark in there, so it's not complete eyeballing. And then what we're going to do is go to that tick mark and chase it up until we hit the graph. Where we hit the graph, we're then going to go over to the vertical axis, and that'll give us an estimate on the amount. Where here the amount is in a percentage. The percentages are by fours. This is a very oddly labeled graph. You got 4s and 6s. But anyway, 4s and 8s, excuse me. But anyway, if you follow that over down to the other side, you'll see that the percentage on the vertical axis there is a tiny bit under 28%. So, using the graph, we can estimate about 27% smoked in the year 2002. About 27% of American college students used cigarettes in the year 2002.